Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Tiffany, and today I'm going to show you a simple and quick way to put on your fitted sheet, and you're going to put it on and not have to wiggle around or turn it to the other side because one end is longer than the other. Here's your quick tip today. So here is your fitted sheet. What you're going to want to do is in these little corners right here, you're going to find the one that has the tag. So let's see. Here is the tag. So most of your fitted sheets are going to have something that has a tag right here. And so what you're going to do is take this corner and we're going to put it on this left-hand bottom side. That will ensure you having your sheet on perfect every single time. So left hand bottom corner, as you can see, here's the headboard here. So if you look down here, this is where it needs to go. And it also works for your mattress pad. So as you can see, it's kind of sticking out right there. That way you know you got it on right and you don't have to worry about putting it on and then one side being longer than the other. Anyways, guys, I hope that you found this helpful. And if you did, be sure to give us a like and a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.